I have decided just to get the prep work all already done, so then we can just get straight to the good start, which is why you guys clicked. Yeah.
You mean the good stuff?
Did I say good start or good stuff?
Good start.
Okay, the good stuff, the good stuff. I wanted to make this for the longest time, lace, an edible lace. I've seen so many of these pop up on my For You page when it comes to TikTok and also Instagram, and it looks so pretty. Like, look how amazing these cakes look. Like, some of them, they've just draped it on, and some have just like wrapped it around the cake, which that's the design Jack and I really like the most. So that's the one that we're going to be trying to attempt. Well, we're going to get the prep work done today, but tomorrow, that's what we're going to be attempting to do. For the flavors, I decided that this was a good excuse for me to try something different. I saw an AI cake where it was a blackberry red velvet, and at first I was like, that doesn't really sound all that good. But then the more I started thinking about it, the more I was like, I really want to try that. Which is why my cakes, this is red velvet and it looks like a mud. It just came out really, really dark. And then I made a nice cream cheese mixed with the blackberry that I've made. It looks like a gray color because I didn't make enough, because I want enough to put some cream in, put some blackberry in. Oh my God, that's so
not too bad. Oh, it is a bit red.
I am given a crumb coat. This really needs to go in the fridge. Usually don't really like using soft fillings because of this reason, because like it's very
Don't do that, man.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna get this into the freezer and let it firm up, and then we'll get the little guy done, and then we will do the final coating on her.
Drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice.
Now I'm gonna do the final coat, which I'm hoping not to have any issues with. Okay. Oh, wow, okay, this is looking okay. All right, okay, cake, okay. Is she looking straight?
Yeah.
I don't want I want, yeah, that looks really straight,
I do,
babe.
yeah.
Does...
It's mixed with yeah. Cake's straighter than me, baby.
Oh, so that's
how
what
straight I'm pretty damn, I'm pretty damn straight, so.
That is not straight.
Nah, it looks alright. It's fine for what it is, babe.
For what it is?
Yeah. It's gonna taste good.
If I'm looking at the footage and I'm like, it's like volcano.
If it was that bad, I'd tell you.
Okay.
I don't want that though.
Alright, we'll put her in the freezer. We will coat her and then we can start on the lace. I'm kind of nervous. I've never done anything like this before. I kind of wish we had time to test these things or like trial.
We do.
Do we?
Right now.
Yeah, while we're filming.
Yeah, that makes it more interesting.
Oh God. Anyway, let's smooth her out and we will get straight onto that. On to making the lace, which I'm very excited about. The only thing I'm a little concerned is, okay, I've got to admit, I got this off Temu because it was cheap and you got 3 mats. I am a little concerned because not all the lines are like connecting properly to the flowers. There's a few gaps. So when it peels off, I'm not too sure how successful we're going to be. So the first things apparently that we need to start making this lace is hot water, Tylose powder, and also glucose. We will need these, but first we've got to add these all in together. I'm gonna boil the jug. We're gonna need 160 of hot water. So the recipe doesn't say to sift it, but I'm going to assume you sift it because I don't want any big clumps and I just want this to work. Oh, keep going. And then apparently you're meant to kind of whisk it. Oh, I don't know if that looks, ooh.
I don't know, it was meant to look like.
I don't know.
Kind of looks to me.
Oh shit, and I forgot I was supposed to add that in there too. How much of that do I need to add in? This stuff is so sticky, I hate it. I don't know how else to do this cleanly. Like, you really can't. I'm just gonna keep stirring. Wow, I don't know if that's meant to look like that. That just looks bad. It's just the process, I think it is. I think that's, I just need to chill. I'm panicking. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute. I don't really want to leave it alone because this just doesn't look right. So we're gonna have to let it rest for 5 minutes apparently, and then we add the rest of our ingredients. So let's do that. All right, so the time is up. We've given it 5 minutes. Now I need 16 corn flour. Oh, should I have sifted this as well?
I don't know, do you need to?
It's too late now. All right, that's 16.
Well, I wasn't that much anyway. So.
And then icing sugar. How much is the icing sugar? 8 grams. Woo, okay, it's a little over, it's fine. Now I'm supposed to mix this together. together and form a paste. Oh, and colour, I forgot the colour. Is that screaming paste to you?
It looks like a, I don't know.
Like a what?
Looks like a bit of dough.
A bit of dough. Okay. I think that's a paste.
Oh yeah, that does look a little bit more pasty.
Yay! Okay, I just
What'd you
needed
do?
a bit of. I just got
Oh,
this.
you got the other one.
I think I can use that. I guess you just like plop it on.
And then you just rub it in.
Yeah. I don't know if that's.
Just, oh, you've committed now, just try it. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look good.
Oh.
Actually,
Oh.
that doesn't look too bad.
Oh my God. You literally destroyed my face just a second ago.
You did to yourself as well, a little bit, because you gotta admit, it didn't look good.
Well, let me see if I can try and make this look professional.
Do a really good drag.
Okay, hang on. Oh, that looked good.
It came out good.
It's working.
Just let me get it. Yeah, good stuff. Cool.
Well, it's all filled in now and I've got 3. I'm hoping that this will be enough. I think this would wrap the little guy and then that would be enough for the bottom. So it kind of worked out really perfectly. Now I've got to let it dry for overnight. They say like around about 8 to 9 hours. So
I always had bad luck like that, so overnight always works out.
yeah, I'm just gonna let these rest and then hopefully they're dried and then we can peel it off and then we'll see you guys tomorrow. It's the next day. Now it's time to find out if it worked. I'm so nervous. I'm really scared because it is quite dry. Ooh.
That's cool.
Toby.
Look at this goddamn cat. What are you doing?
Bruh, you're
just
messing up our
know. You
life.
just know what you're doing.
I'm so shocked. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, wait. I think I've got a little stray there. Do we have a knife?
Just get like a toothpick or something.
There we go.
Should get
Okay. I got that. Oh. Okay. Okay. We're so close. We're so close. I can see the finishing end. Come on. I'm trying to remember to breathe because I'm so like, oh. Oh my God, are we gonna make it? Okay, I'm getting a little too cocky, I think. No, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Oh. Oh my God. That's the wrong way. Wow.
Cool, hold it up again.
Hang on, okay, hang on. Hold. Oh my God. Does that not look cool? Oh my God, that looks really like, it looks like fabric. Look at it. Look at it compared to my shirt. I've seen a lot of videos where people are like crunching it up. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that with this. It's very fragile, like its owner. Let's peel the other ones. Let's do it. Okay, cool, we've peeled it all off. That was really satisfying to do. 2 of them are completely intact. There's one that's a little
torn here and there.
but workable. We can work
You
with
can't
that.
see it.
Now that we've got that done, we are going to now stack our cakes. I don't want to jinx myself, but I think that's going to be okay. It's putting this onto the cake is what's like kind of freaking me out a little bit. I'm just trimming off the edge. Alrighty, I'm going to put this one down here. So I have just put some fresh buttercream at the bottom just so it's going to stick. Why am I breathing like this? Okay, I'm just going to smooth it out a little bit. And now I've got to do the scary part. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Is she scented? Is she scented?
Yep.
Oh, thank God. Yes. Oh, don't drop it. Ooh, don't drop it.
Don't drop it.
I've got to measure it. That's 110. And then I've got to times it by pi, which equals that's how much it needs to be.
That's the wraparound length, yeah.
Yes, correct.
345.
345. Yeah, that would be a perfect. I think that would be, because you said 300 and what?
45.
So that would be, I think that'd be perfect.
You know what? Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good?
Slightly longer, so
We'll
you
do
get
it.
130.
130, all right.
So pick your favourite end and then just like that and then cut it through.
I'm just going to put some water on here just so that it will stick to the cake.
Alright, that's good. Let's do it.
Okay. Stay, buddy, stay.
Just get one side. No, hang on. Get one side first.
Okay.
Nice, because you got an air pocket in the back.
Okay.
There we go.
Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Sorry, it's looking like the reference photo at the top. I literally had a plan B because I was worried that like the lace wouldn't peel off or like it'll dry too much. And I've seen other cakes where like they've put pieces onto the cake, which still looked incredible. Don't get me wrong, but I'm so glad it actually, look at that. Okay, now we're gonna do the bottom part. All right, so Jack and I have done the measurement for the lace. I'm just going to wet my cake again, just so it's easy for it to stick. I'm so thrilled with the top right now.
It does look good.
The thing is that I don't want to like label this as like how to make this, because this is my first time making this. I'm glad that it worked out, and now if you're a newbie like I am, then at least you know too that this is going to be okay. Okay, I think that's wet enough. I'm going to try and wrap it around.
To the right side, the top.
Yep.
Wait, can I tell you one thing? Oh, no, actually, never mind. Wait a minute.
I was going to do it like this.
Doesn't matter, actually.
And wrap it around like that.
That's a good way of doing it. Here, you just wrapped it a bit off square.
Oh.
Because if you see here, it's touching perfectly at the bottom and you're higher up here.
Oh,
but as you're going around, it's wrapping down because now you got a lower edge there.
Oh, no.
Do you know what I mean?
No.
Like I said, you jumped into it too quick. I was saying, wait. And you're just like, it'll be a learning lesson for next time.
Okay.
You got too excited, baby.
I did. Don't you break.
Just try and match this one to that one. So have this one matching there and then slope it down so it matches there. Otherwise you'll notice that you've got an off edge.
I do recommend don't do it too much, but once you place it on, just get some water, and if you can see some of it like sticking or like bubbling a little bit, just place some water on and flatten it out really nicely.
That's after you.
That's after you've placed.
Around.
Yeah. Wow, I did this. What the fuck? We did this. We did this, guys. Can't believe we actually did this. This is like one of the most coolest cakes we've done, I think, so far. Like, this was so much fun, and we did this with a Temu mat. Like, I really didn't have much hopes. I had like so many different plans just in case that this failed. And 3 was perfect. I didn't even really plan it for like the size, and I was just kind of like hoping, and it just worked out really, really well. So now what I'm thinking of doing is putting some blackberries. Like I said, you know those like cakes where you see all the raspberries on top, but instead of raspberry, blackberry, because that's the filling. So I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating it and start placing everything, and we'll have the final reveal. Ah!
This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
I don't know if I'm sold on the blackberry. I
do like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
I kind of wish I left it alone personally, but
No, I like it. It was a lot of white on there. You need some colour.
that's what I wanted.
And some dark sheets.
Now it's time to cut her and see how we did with the flavours. I'm just worried if I cut from the top, it's all going to run down, so I'm kind of thinking...
cut it in the edge. I think you kind of want to slice through it.
No.
No. Oh,
No.
no. It doesn't matter. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Ah!
You know, the way you cut that in, you're not going to be able to get that piece out. What are you doing?
I'm cutting down.
What on earth are you doing?
I'm going to slice. Again.
Okay, that's different. That's cool. That's different. I don't mind that. Wow, you did not cut it straight at all.
I did not.
Trying to make a spiral staircase, but it looks cool though. The layers inside look good.
They look good?
It's going to be a nice cake at least. Not your traditional one. You probably pissed a lot of people off with that cut.
I don't mind. So I want to try the fabric. What does the fabric taste like? All that hard work just to get it perfect, and
you're
now...
gonna be like, it tastes like crap.
Oh, it's very slimy. No, like how it dissolves into your mouth. You know, like how when it got in your hands, it felt like that texture?
Oh yeah.
It's in your mouth.
I could not wash it.
All right, let's try it. I want a blackberry. I'm really, really happy with this. This turned out so good. Design, it's more for the look-wise. The flavour, not so much. Also,
The lace, you mean?
Yeah, the lace.
Yeah, the lace, yeah.
Also, it's really hard to cut. If you pre-make this and put it in the fridge, Apparently it's meant to last up to like 2 to 3 days. So maybe it might stick to the cake a bit more. The fact that we
Soften up a bit once it's stuck to the cake.
and it might, yeah, have a bit more of a better shot. The fact that we just put it on and then immediately cut it, it might not be one of those cakes that you can do on the day or the design. You might have to prep it.
Well, we should try that then. Like, we should just keep the top tier.
Yeah.
Keep that in the fridge for a day or two, and then we'll
test it out.
refilm just on even on the little camera just to
We should do that.
just to get
a little
the
test out.
final result.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know what you guys think. And yeah, hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. Boy, 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 boy.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Boy, boy, boy.
Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.